Welcome to All Things Austria, your online guide to explore this beautiful Central European country. What does Austria mean to you? For some, it's its composers and their beautiful symphonies, Mozart being one of them as an example. For others, it's a delicious cafe, Sachertorte, Apfelstrudel. For some people, they instantly hear the words of Arnold Schwarzenegger saying, "I'll be back." And others imagine that the hills are alive with the sound of music. Freud comes from Austria, and so does Red Bull and Pescandy. Austria is also famous for its cathedrals, castles, palaces, and among other things, the Lippizan stallions. And here's an interesting fact. Did you know that Austria has something like 20,000 small wine-producing estates? You may ask, how did that happen? Well, back in 1784, a decree was passed that allowed a person to sell their own wine from their house without having to have a license. Austria means so many things to so many people. To me, it means reconnecting with the rich heritage of my birth. Whether you are an armchair traveler or ready to pack your bags, it is my intention to share all I can about this wonderful little country in the heart of Central Europe. Whether you are swept away by the spectacular mountain scenery or want to know the best little stops along the River Danube, I invite you to join me as we explore all things Austria, and I have a little gift for you just for stopping by. If you will just give me your email address in the box right on your right-hand side, I will send you my book as a gift. It will help you plan your trip to Austria. Thank you for stopping by, and auf Wiedersehen.